Hey ladies and gentlemen, there's the bottom of my jeans. This is a bit of a trailer of what I'm going to be working on the next few days, this next week coming up. So that's one of the things right there, is altering the bottom of these blue original 501 Levi jeans. And I'm going to be working on a couple of other things as well, but I'll tell you all about it right now. And so that's what this short trailer teaser, video teaser is about. Hey, listen, enjoy. We'll talk soon. Ciao for now. Okay, what I'm working on now is take a look at the bottom of my pants, the hems. I've got them pinned up. You can see a pin on the right leg there, and you can see a clip and a pin on the bottom of the left. So that's one of the projects I'm working on today, and I'm gonna use orange thread, and I'm going to top stitch. There's already a row of orange thread there, you can see right there. So I'm going to put another row along there, and then 2 rows of orange thread top stitch along there, and do that on both legs, and then they'll be just the right height for wearing. So that's what I'm working on with them. And then I also have a couple of other things I'm working on. Another big part of my day is going to be fixing this hole in the elbow of this really nice Celtic sweater that came from Ireland. It was imported. Yeah, it says dry clean or hand wash only. So what I'll do is I'll hand wash it when I'm all done, once I get the patch on, and then I'm gonna just lay it to dry on towels, right? I'll lay it down on a towel and then cover it with a towel, and I won't roll it or anything. I'll just let it lay flat, natural, in between the 2 towels, and maybe every 12 hours or 18 hours turn it over and let it dry that way. That's going to be done. I'm going to hem the jeans. I'm going to do the sweater. These are the pinking shears that came along with a Singer 411G that I bought here in Montreal East, way back, probably 4 years ago almost now. One of my first machines. And they were included in the case and the accessories, and I tried them out, and they're really nice, but they're not really meant for denim or heavy materials like denim. So I'm going to put them away, whoopsie daisy, because I'm not really going to be using them, because they're not of they're hard to use on a thick fabric like denim. So that's another thing. What else did I want to tell you? And what else did I get? Oh boy, I went nuts at the dollar store and all over the place, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff. A whole bunch of sewing notions and supplies. Got a really pretty pink measuring tape. Singer brand 60-inch tape measure. Cinta de metrica, metra a ruben. And the other thing I did was I got some of this hook and loop stuff that I just used on the Canadian parka, the Arctic parka, and so I picked up some of that, because more than likely the stuff that's still on the parka is it's still deteriorating, and there's going to be more issues. So more than likely, coming up in the next probably month or so, I'll be replacing that whole strip and loop. I also got some elastic that I wanted to make any pouches or ironing board covers or something along that line. These are needles, there's more elastics, and there's thread, tape. There's all sorts of stuff in there, all sorts of notions and novelties. And this will be a big part of the list for the next few days, the weekend probably, and it is the Singer Heavy Duty SERGER Overlocker. And I have been saying for weeks now that this week I was going to do it, and I've been saying that for about 7 or 8 weeks now, and so it's on the table. And I'm going to be learning this machine this weekend. So yeah, so the list is kind of starting to flush out. Got to do the hem on the original 501 button fly jeans, the blue ones, the indigo ones, and do some work here on the SERGER Overlocker, and also do some work on the elbow of the Celtic imported Irish sweater. So yeah, it's shaping up for fun and learning, like cool time. Anyway, so that's what's going on. This is a bit of a trailer or a teaser to let you know what I'm working on this weekend and what you can expect in videos for the next week or so. Hey, listen, have a great weekend. Enjoy your stuff, and you know, stay safe, have fun, and we'll chat soon. We'll meet back again. Adios, amigos.